Splunk, Elastic, Sentinel. 3 SIEMs, 3 different query languages, and 1 very common career mistake. Every SOC analyst, every career switcher, every student learning detection engineering hits the same wall. Which SIEM do I learn? You Google it. You get vendor marketing. You ask Reddit. You get opinions. You waste 6 months learning the wrong one for your job market. I've seen analysts study Splunk for a year and then get hired into a shop running Sentinel. So in this video, I'm giving you the data-driven answer. Not which SIEM is best in theory, which one you should learn based on your actual career goal. Let's quickly define all 3 because they're often confused. Splunk is the incumbent, the legacy giant. It uses a language called SPL, Search Processing Language. It has the largest job market, the most community detection rules, and the highest price tag. Most Fortune 500s have it somewhere. Elastic Security is the challenger. Open source at its core, it uses KQL and also supports EQL for sequence detection. Dominant in startups, scale-ups, and cloud-native environments. Microsoft Sentinel is the fastest growing. It's Azure native, also uses KQL, and absolutely dominates any shop already in the Microsoft ecosystem. Think Microsoft 365, Defender, Azure AD. And then there's Sigma, the meta layer above all 3. Write one rule. Convert to any SIEM. This is the superpower we'll come back to. Let me show you what the same detection looks like in all 3. Encoded PowerShell execution. MyTer attack T-Tyno5901. In Splunk SPL, you search the SIEM index for event code 1, filter on PowerShell in the command line, then pipe to stats. The language is SQL adjacent, but Splunk specific. In Elastic, KQL is more structured and field-centric. You're referencing standard ECS field names like process.name and process.args. It's cleaner for simple queries, and Elastic also has EQL for writing sequence-based detections, catching an attacker across multiple related events. Sentinel uses the same KQL as Elastic at its core, but with a different data model. You're querying tables like security event, using pipe operators that look more like functional programming. The has and has any operators are elegant for string matching. Each SIEM has genuine strengths. Sentinel wins on Microsoft data integration. If your target environment runs Azure Active Directory, M365, and Defender, Sentinel gets that data natively. Elastic wins on customization and cost. You can run it yourself. Splunk wins on breadth. The job postings, the community content, the Splunk certified analysts in every enterprise. So here's the actual recommendation. If you want maximum job market options and you're going for enterprise SOC roles, learn Splunk SPL. It appears in roughly 40% of detection engineer job postings. If you're targeting startups, scale-ups, or cloud-native security teams, learn Elastic KQL. It's growing faster and you can practice for free. If you're targeting Microsoft shops, financial institutions, or government contractors running Azure, learn Sentinel KQL. But here's the real answer that makes this whole debate easier. Learn Sigma first. Sigma is a YAML-based detection format that converts to Splunk, Elastic, Sentinel, and Wazoo with a single command. When you understand Sigma's structure, log sources, detection blocks, condition logic, you instantly understand how all 3 SIEMs think. It takes about 2 hours to learn, and it makes every SIEM you study after that click much faster. If you want to practice all 3 right now, I built a free tool called SOC AI. At socai.app, you pick an attack scenario, choose your SIEM, and the AI walks you through building the detection rules step by step. Sigma, Splunk, Elastic, Sentinel, Wazoo. All 5 platforms. 55 lab scenarios. 5 free queries a day. No credit card. Link is in the description. Subscribe for more weekly detection engineering content, and drop your SIEM in the comments. I actually read every single one, and your comment helps me choose what to cover next. I'll see you Wednesday.